Did Jillian Ward and Rahil Bayria go out together on Valentine's Day? According to Nelson Canlas, report on 24 na oras weekend, Sunday, the supposed date between the two Sparkle stars got people talking online. When asked about it, Jillian demurred about calling it a date. Ewan ko po sa kanya pero ayun nagdala po siya ng flowers, nag-usap lang kami, kumain lang kami so ayun, said the star of the new gen. Rahil, for his part, was also reluctant to define what happened. Date ba tawag dun? Hindi naman ata date tawag dun. Pero kung ang tanong ay ako ang nauna, he said. I wanted to show her na na-appreciate ko siya kaya ko yun ginawa para sa kanya, he added. Na-surprise ko lang, hindi niya siguro na-expect na bibigyan ko siya ng bulaklak. So binigyan ko lang. It's 3 roses lang naman. Rahil was asked in an interview last year whether he was courting Jillian. He said he wanted to get closer with the actress. He also surprised Jillian with flowers and chocolates on Valentine's Day last year. Jillian and Rahil, who previously worked together in GMA Afternoon Prime series, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, currently star on GMA Prime shows. Rahil is one of the boys of Mga Batang Riles, along with Miguel Tan Felix, Kokoy De Santos, Bruce Roland, and Anton Vinzon. The series airs at 8:50 p.m. after Lolong, Bayani ng Bayan. Meanwhile, Jillian is the lead star of My Ilonggo Girl, opposite Michael Sager. The series airs at 9:35 p.m. after Mga Batang Riles.